According to nowcast issued at 13:50 hours, first dated 27 June 2021 by IMD Goa, light to moderate spells of rain with short intense spells is very likely to occur at few places over North Goa and isolated places over South Goa districts during the next 3 to 4 hours. Rain is likely to be accompanied with thunder, lightning and winds of speed 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. At 13:45 hours, clouds are approaching the talukas of Pernem, Picholim, Mapsa, Tiswadi, Santari, etc. Clouds are likely to move generally in south-southeasterly directions. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.